Jahnavi pursuing diploma final year in EC department. Coming to the team Robokalam, that was very wonderful platform for students like me. Actually, I was thinking what to do during this lockdown, but luckily I got a chance to attend a workshop conducted by the Robokalam, and I attended a workshop of machine learning with Python, and which was a 1 month camp. Coming to my experience, it's very awesome. They used to conduct the quizzes and they used to conduct the polls to Mentimeter, which was very fun. Whatever the quizzes, whatever the explanation given by them, it's very awesome. And coming to the trainers, they used to support us a lot. Even if you ask any doubt, they used to clear within a short time of period. And coming to Shamini ma'am and Rashika sir, that's very good at you both, because as you are at the high position too, you used to come down to our stage and used to explain in a clear manner, which can be understood by all of the students, and that's very awesome. Coming to Robokalam, I recommend you and I recommend many more of my friends to attend the workshops at Robokalam to strengthen your skills, and I hope many more workshops and many more sections from the Robokalam. Thank you all.